Hey there, folks. I am coming at you today with a little bit of an unboxing. I just got some really fabulous new vintage items in the mail, so I thought I would open them with you. The first one is not being unboxed, but was gifted to me by a dear friend, and it is this Australian Women's Weekly fashion book. It is the first 50 years and kind of just goes through decade by decade of some of the fashions from the Australian Women's Weekly magazine. And I'll show you the best bit. Has an entire page or 2 pages about, well, I'll show you this one to start and give you an idea about my very favorite thing in the world, which is the 1930s peaked cap or pointed cap or mad cap, which it is known. Here it is. It's a whole page about it, talking about how it was conceptualized by Schiaparelli, which is true, but I am just reading her autobiography right now, and it turns out she did come up with the idea for the pointed cap, but she started seeing it, so people started copying it immediately, which she never had a problem with people copying her work. She thought that as soon as people stop copying your work, you're irrelevant. But she started seeing them everywhere and grew so sick of them. She one day saw a madcap. Oh, and the name madcap was coined by a manufacturer making copies, so not her pieces. She saw one on an infant one day and writes that she then immediately ordered her assistant to burn all of the remaining caps they had in stock because she was so sick of them and so sick of the copies. So anyway, that was a fabulous gift. Just an amazing resource, this one. So thanks, Bobby Rotten, for this. Oh, love it. So the next one I'm going to open, I think, is a dress that I ordered off of Etsy. I paid a fairly decent amount for it. I'm not against paying a bit more for vintage items because people, you know, they're so finely curated on a lot of people's shops and just really well preserved, and I know they're very valuable little pieces of history. So this is from a seller. I can't remember the name. I'll put the name somewhere here and link them below. But they're based in Australia, which is great. Oh my gosh, look! It's all wrapped up in gift wrap. How cute is that? Oh, that's darling. So let's open it. I'm so excited for this dress. I think it's the dress. I ordered 2 pieces of clothing. Okay. And then inside we've got some tissue paper. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it even smells like it's been cleaned. Oh my gosh. This dress. Oh, it is so stunning in person. Oh my gosh, this fabric is darling. So the most amazing thing about this dress, so it's just a scoop neck dress with a back zip, and they say it's 50s, but it has a synthetic zipper which would date it after the 50s. Usually 50s would have a metal zip, but the seller reckons the zip has actually been changed, so maybe the other zipper broke and it's been changed. And it's got the label in it. Miss Renfrew? Yeah, Miss Renfrew. So there's the label. And short sleeve with a bust dart waist start, and the best thing about this dress is these incredible pockets. Can you see these? Look. The pockets are amazing. I mostly bought them. Sorry, battery died. So these pockets remind me very much of the Claire McCardle popover dress, and that dress was designed with an oven mitt that would fit inside the pocket. So my goal for this dress is to be able to fit an oven mitt in the pocket. So I'm really hoping. And it just has these gorgeous little pleats on the skirt and these gorgeous buttons, which I hadn't really noticed in the listing, but they're stunning. So I will try this baby on. So the next item, I'm not 100% sure what this is. I have ordered a couple of vintage, like gadgety kind of things. Are you crooked? No, this is not. So a couple of little gadget things. So we're gonna open this up. Two in particular from this one seller on eBay who told me the most fascinating story about where these things came from. So apparently they are from a small town in Australia, and apparently in the middle of nowhere in this small little town, this person had actual like train carriages in their backyard full of vintage items from like the 50s and 60s. So they had them, they bought the lot and had them listed on eBay. And I believe that is what I'm opening now. Oh, it's two boxes stitched together. Okay. First box. Paper. Okay. So this one is some kitchenware. Beautiful kitchenware. So this one is a... Oh, look who's coming. Come here, baby. Chicky, come here. Look. Chicky. Something else more interesting. So, woo! First one is a casserole dish, milky white casserole dish, and it is glass bake. Yeah, so glass bake casserole dish and a basket that it fits into. Look at this. Ooh. And complete with adorable little flowers on the hinges. It is so cute. So if you were taking this to like dinner at a friend's house, you can carry your little casserole dish. It's adorable. So that means this here is a very exciting item. Lots tape. This one is a vintage, smells like an electronic, hairdryer. So it's a cap hair dryer. This one is made by GE, and I wanted to get the I think it's the Sunbeam Lady one, something like that. But this one was in such good condition, and so usually these caps are just like shower caps and they're just a plastic cap, but this one has a ring around it so that when you put it on, it holds its shape and it's supposed to be easier to put on. So it comes with the cap, so you put that on your head. So it has a little opening there, and inside here there is a power cord, so we'll have to try this out and see if it still works. So it's supposed to work. The seller says it still works. So nozzle comes out, hooks into hairdryer, put it on your head, and then here are the settings. So I think this comes out, actually. Oh, it does. And it has the most beautiful writing on it. So it's got, so off, cool, low, medium, and high. And look at the little starburst. It is so cute. So I think I'll have to clean it up a little bit, but I cannot wait to try this. It even has a little foam bottom and a hanger. Oh. Hanging clip. If you want to, it's supposed to be portable. Your portable hairdryer. So if you want to clip it to your belt and, you know, hang out around the house. That also came with it. Yeah. So, very pleased with my purchases today. I will have to give some of these things a try and a try on, and I hope you enjoyed this little mini vintage haul. I'm very excited about these items, and we'll hopefully be showing you more about them in the future. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe for more vintage fun content celebrating women through fashion history, and have a fabulous morning, day, night, wherever you're at, and I'll see you soon. Bye!